Let's learn how to write functions by using the same barebones js.html template we used to write our variable code. To create a function, we use the keyword function, followed by a space and the name we wish to give our function. Make sure to use lower camel case when naming your functions. All function names must be followed by a set of parentheses. After the parentheses, we type a set of curly braces. By convention, the curly braces are arranged like so. These curly braces will contain the lines of code we want to execute when the function is called. For now, I'll just place a comment here. Let's go ahead and save our file under a new name. Copy the full file path and open it in Chrome. Right-click to inspect the web page. And if we look at the console, we should have no errors. So let's head back to Text Wrangler. Just to see how a function works, let's go ahead and have it do something. I'll write a command here to have it do a simple console message. I'll save my work and go ahead and reload this in Chrome. There's still no action in the console. That's because the message we wrote was never sent. In order for a function to execute, it must be invoked. We refer to this as a function call. To send the console message, we need to call the function. We call the function by writing its name, followed by a set of parentheses, and finally a semicolon. With our function call complete, we're ready to save and test the function. You can make this process a little quicker by using Command S for save, Command Tab to jump to Chrome, and Command R to reload the page. This time our console message has been sent and received. Let's make things more interesting by adding some variables. Next, I'll go ahead and delete our console message for now. Let's have our function add two numbers together, place the sum in a variable, and return that sum. We'll create another variable called GrandSum and assign it the return value of the add two numbers function. Lastly, we'll add a console message so we can see the results of our work. Save your file, return to Chrome, and refresh the page. According to the console, our function has run correctly. But what if we want our function to do more than just add two specific numbers? We can solve this by adding what are called parameters. Parameters are defined within the parentheses of the function definition. Parameters are empty variables that are filled each time a function is called. Inside our function code, we will rewrite our equation to contain the parameter variables. In our function call, we pass specific values to fill the parameters. These specific values are referred to as arguments. Since we are passing num2 and num3 as arguments, our console should read 1060. Well played. Writing functions is a critical part of your coding skill set. Make sure to get lots of practice writing variables and functions until they become second nature.